Flavors of Nicaragua. Nicaragua, a great country with lots of varied landscapes, including volcanoes, beautiful seas, plus diverse wildlife. It is the largest country in Central America and home to the largest lake of Central America, Lake Nicaragua. If we talk about its tourism industry, it is also booming because of the passionate surfers, scuba divers, hikers, and animal lovers who come from all over the world. If you plan to take a tour, then this country also has excellent food to offer. The foodies are attracted to its delicious traditional dishes and the premium quality fruits and vegetables. The dishes made from home ingredients and with love are available in restaurants, markets, eateries, roadside grills, etc. So let's look through the famous traditional dishes of Nicaragua. Gallo Pinto. The most popular food and the national dish of Nicaragua, gallo pinto. If we look at the translation, it means painted rooster. It's called so because of the mixture of rice and onions fried together with boiled red beans to give a reddish color. In different variations, spices like pepper and garlic and sometimes herbs like cilantro, etc., are mixed together. At some places, coconut milk is also used to make it creamier. The locals eat this dish almost daily for breakfast and sometimes along with other meals as well. Naca tamales. They are the Nicaraguan version of Mexican tamales. They are made using maize dough stuffed with pork, slices of potatoes, and wrapped in a plantain leaf and steamed. Other ingredients include garlic, onions, chili peppers, tomatoes, mint, olives, etc. The people normally eat it on weekends during breakfast along with bread and coffee. The name is made of nacat, meaning meat, and tamales, that is wrapped. If you have tried tamales before, this version should interest you. Bajo or bajo. This is another popular weekend dish in Nicaragua. It is made of beef, yuca, and plantains wrapped up in banana leaves and then steamed. Bajo means steamed or mist, thus the preparation style. It is a simple dish, but it takes time to cook. That's why most people cook it on weekends when they have more time. Additionally, onions, tomatoes, and peppers can also be used to enhance the taste and flavor. Indio Viejo. It is a thick soup made up of shredded beef, maize tortilla dough, garlic, onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Translating into Old Indian, this dish traces back to the pre Columbian period. All these ingredients are mixed and fried to make a little sweet tasting stew. The sweet flavor is because of yerba buena and orange. Earlier, other meat was also used, but now beef is the most common. It is usually served along with tostones, that is fried plantains, and cuajada, that is curd cheese. Vigorón. You will find this dish in the city of Granada, which is the origin place of vigorón. Boiled yuca along with fried pork rinds are placed in a small mountain shape topped with cabbage salad and mimbro, a tangy fruit from the cucumber tree. Other vegetables like onions, tomatoes, chili peppers, etc. are also added during preparation for added flavors. The street vendors usually sell this dish on banana leaves. The tangy salad plus excellent pork rinds and yuca is the key to its rich taste and flavor. Guirilla. These are corn pancakes with a sweet and salty taste and served along with cuajada, that is curd cheese and cream. It is one of the best delights of the country and usually eaten as a breakfast. According to the local residents, this dish is best made in the northern region of the country around Matagalpa and Sabaco. This is a great dish for both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Quesillos. Quesillos means cheese. They are made of a tortilla wrapped around a circle of cheese topped with chopped onions and a scoop of cream. They are perfect for breakfast or lunch or even for a snack. You can also call it a cheesy taco. The towns of La Paz Centro and Nagarote are known to produce the best of the quesillos. Traditionally, homemade chile sauce is added, giving an authentic taste. It is usually served along with a maize drink called tiste. Berenjenas rellenas. Here is a dish made from eggplant. The eggplant is cut into half and the pulp is removed. Then it is filled with a variety of vegetables like onions, tomatoes, zucchini, peppers, potatoes, and chilies. A mixture of ground meat can also be used. It is one of the prime dishes of the country. The spices, that is garlic, oregano, salt, parsley, thyme, pepper, rosemary, etc., used in this dish make it more flavorsome. Sweet corn, bacon, beans, mozzarella cheese, etc. are also commonly added. You have to try this dish. Buñuelo. Buñuelos are sweet fried dough balls famous throughout the Latin America. In Nicaragua, they are prepared slightly differently. They are made with yuca flour rich in starch, mixed with eggs and cheese, and molded in balls and fried. Cinnamon syrup is poured on the warm buñuelo, making it sweet and sticky. This combination of sweet syrup and savory filling makes the Nicaraguan version special. A cup of coffee is the best drink to go with it. Tres leches cake. As the name suggests, this cake is made up of 3 types of milk: evaporated, condensed, and whole milk. The density of the milk determines the sponginess and the moistness of the cake. The ultimate dessert is available all over Latin America and popular after dinner. There are various flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry other than the classic. To make it tastier, whipped cream is spread on top like a frosting. So now we know about the best Nicaraguan dishes, and I hope this will help you in your trip to this country or Latin America. Espero que tengas un buen día. Hope you have a good day.